Meet the BMW K100. The ash is rough, the paint's faded, the metal's tired, and the miles are heavy. But underneath the rust and scratches, it's a legend. I see potential, every scar tells a story, and soon the bike's about to write a new one. So stick around and see what we're gonna do with it.
It has 100